Hello everyone, with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to observe action logs or uh, everything that happened to your VPS by control panel in deadline.com. For this case you should go to the services and choose your active service and scroll down, and here is action logs. You should click here to observe what happened to your disk. For example, here as you can see, these are the information and description of the action logs of your VPS, and it has date for each logs to your VPS from signing up to now. Thank you for watching us, and please subscribe our channel. And if you want to learn more with VPS in deadline.com, please follow other videos. Goodbye.